welcome to my brand new channel. Yes, brand new. This is one of my first few videos on my new channel, so if you are here, thank you so much for clicking this video. So as you can see by the title or the thumbnail, whichever comes first, today I'm going to be showing you how I put on this kinky synthetic lace wig on my head. It is only lace kind of on this bit, and I think that makes it a closure because it's not full lace on the front, so I guess a closure. I'm not a wig expert at all, so I think it's a closure, but the lace goes like all the way back here, so I can do a middle parting, a side parting. Yeah, it's more than enough lace to do any type of parting. And I also decided to throw in a quick makeup look in there for those of you who are interested in how I got this makeup. So before I start rambling on, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're not new to my channel, you know that I do this to every single one of my synthetic wigs. And basically what I'm doing here is a quick little trick that I made a whole video on that I'll link below, or please go to my channel and check it out. But basically it's a trick that I do to make my synthetic wigs tangle free. Yes, tangle free for 2+ years, or depending on how you look after your wig. I don't really tend to use too much heat on my wigs, so they do pretty well. But yes, using shearing scissors, I just make cuts in sections on the hair and brush it out. So for the more detailed explanation and the tutorial, then please do check out my channel or check out the link below to my synthetic wig video. This wig is a kinky closure wig from Amazon, so I'll also link that below if you're interested. I don't think I'm gonna lay it down. Maybe I'll end up gluing it down, who knows. But for now, I really don't feel like I need to. When I run my hands through my hair like this, it feels so nice. This is why every single time you get your synthetic wig out of the box, I highly recommend you do the trick that I just showed you and cut through the hair in sections with your layering scissors, because honestly, this wig will probably last me minimum 1.5 years. Maybe stretching to 2 if I don't use too much heat on it. And normally with synthetic wigs, I find that they're so long that I always have to cut them. But with this, I don't even think I'm gonna cut it. Okay, so now the wig is on my head. I'm just gonna cut off the lace as carefully as I can. I always feel like I do a bad job of cutting the lace, but I went as slowly as I could and as close to the hairline as possible. I do wish the hairline on this was a bit thinner. It would make it look a lot more natural, but it is a synthetic wig, so they tend to do this a lot. The hairline tends to be really thick at the front, which makes it look a little less natural. But if you go for the lace fronts, you can make it work, like the way I did the middle parts and the side part, as you'll see. Just makes it look a bit more natural. But yeah, I wish I could pluck the front a little bit more. I told myself I wasn't gonna do a middle part, but now that I look at it, what do we think? Middle parts? Or a side parts? Let's try the middle part again. Ooh, I like them both. Okay, this wig is by far my favorite synthetic wig ever. Like, ever. Maybe I should buy a second one because I really love this. And it looks natural as well because it's kinky. Okay, so I think adding the foundation has made it a bit better. And I think I am going to lay it down because just these little bits need to be just flat. And if you're confused of what I'm trying to do, I kind of want a swoop. I don't want a straight parting on the side. I want a swoop, you know? clearly we need to go over this bit with some powder because it's looking a bit dry and grey. I don't know, do I need to lay it down? Because it looks pretty seamless to me. Let me try and put powder on here and then we'll go from there. And it even looks like I've plucked it. This is amazing. Okay. I have done zero plucking, by the way. Zero. Okay, so I'm going to spray my hair with this free spray, just like where I'm going to hot comb so it sticks properly. Does that make sense? Yeah. I hope so. So as you can see, I am hot combing, which means this wig is heat resistant, which is amazing because then we're not missing out on the human hair wigs as much. I wouldn't really say there's any particular way I hot comb. I just like to lay the hair down as flat as possible in the position I would want the hair in. Okay, I'm gonna do my face. I'm not sure whether I should film it or not. Honestly, I don't have the energy, but I also really do want to film it. Okay, if you do want to see me do my makeup more on this channel, then please do let me know and I'll do makeup videos, but I'm not really a makeup guru or makeup expert, so don't expect anything extraordinary. But if you do want to see makeup videos, then I'll be more than happy to do that, so let me know. But for now, I won't do the makeup on camera. I'll just go and do off camera and then I'll be back and film the outro and the final look and everything. Okay, so after doing my eyebrows, I decided I do want to film, but I'm not gonna like talk over it or anything. I'm just gonna make it super quick, so if there are people who want to see how I do my makeup, then you have that section to watch. But otherwise, I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup so you can see the process from start to finish. So this is not a tutorial as I mentioned, but when doing my makeup, I always start with my eyebrows. So I basically just use anything on my eyebrows really, either eyebrow pencil, eyebrow powder, whatever I can get my hands on is what I use for my eyebrows. And then I apply concealer around and then blend that out with a sponge. And it's only now that I'm watching this back I realized I used two different concealers, so one darker one for the outline and then a brighter one on my eyelids. I don't tend to do that all the time, but I think at this time I was going through a phase of trying different makeup techniques, so that's what I did. And once I've set my eyes with some loose powder, I go in to do my eyeshadow. My eyeshadows are never really crazy. They're always kind of basic, but still a bit glam. So anything that has like a darker outer eye and then a brighter inner eye is what I love. So I do that. And then after that, I blend my foundation out with a brush and move on to concealer and bake it and everything. Guys, my makeup is literally so simple. But I feel like when I have it on at the end, it looks like I've really put on a lot. But to me, when I'm applying my makeup, it seems so basic and so, not boring, but like just basic. Anyways, I'm rambling on about nonsense. But yeah, this is me putting on my concealer and blending it out with a sponge. I like to set my concealer with a brush at first to get into the creases and the lines that my blender might not necessarily reach, and then I'll go in again with the blender and then bake. So once I'm done with the baking powder, I go in with a normal face powder and then brush everything off and blend it in as much as possible. I also use a darker powder to kind of contour or make my face look more defined. And then I did my eyeliner off camera because honestly I could not. I already struggled with my eyeliner, so doing it on camera was a huge hassle. But yeah guys, I then finished off with some highlights. And then I do my lips. I normally just use any brown lip liner and some lip gloss, and yeah, that's basically it. Finally, I finish off my face with a setting spray. I mean, I don't always do this, but when I do see the difference. It just helps bring some color back into my face and makes me not look so ashy. If you know what meme I'm talking about when I do this, please let me know. Okay, so this is the final result of the wig, guys, and I am so in love with this wig. Like, I think I'm gonna get another one just in case, because I mean the quality is amazing. And as I said before, I did do my little synthetic wig trick so that my hair will always be tangle free even though it's synthetic. So please do check out my original video of how to get your wigs completely tangle free, or just rewatch the intro that I did with this wig. And I won't stop going on about that trick because honestly it's a lifesaver. If you wear synthetic wigs, you need to be doing this to your wigs because I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Your wigs will keep on lasting and lasting like human hair. But overall guys, I don't know what else to say because I'm not like a wig expert. I just like synthetic wigs. I mean, to me the wig is amazing. I would definitely buy it again, and I would 100% recommend that you check this wig out. This is not sponsored, obviously. This is like a brand new channel of mine, so I'm not getting sponsorships anytime soon. So this is really real. Please do check out this wig because I highly recommend it. I mean, you can see this is a great wig. I have not glued this wig down. All I did was spray the edge over here just so that the parting could lay flat and the hairs could stick down. But apart from that, I have not, look guys, I have not, well, I mean it's stuck down here, but I haven't laid this wig down. All I did was apply the powder underneath and it's kind of blended in seamlessly. So yes, you do not need to glue this wig down. You can make it tight enough so that it lays secure on your head. And that's amazing because that means I can just slap on this wig whenever and just go. That's why I'm going to buy it again, because I need those kinds of wigs in my life. So I'm going to do a little bit of modeling for you so you Okay, so that's basically it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are watching this video, just know you are one of the first to be on my brand new channel. So thank you so much for clicking my video. I appreciate you. But otherwise, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.